We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 5. So first of all, we will open instruction file. Once it open, then we will start working. First we have to click on enable editing, then increase your size so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss XP22 Excel chapter 5 cumulative merchandise 1.1. We just increase its size and change its color. Okay, then here is project description. We just increase its size also so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we will discuss XP22 Excel chapter 5 cumulative merchandise 1.1. We will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me. You will get E grade 100% marks. So before going to solve this assignment, let me move to your whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? So in today's assignment we have 8, 9, 10, 17, 19. It's quite big one. Okay, 20. We have 24 questions from graded side, and there are last question is a non-graded one. Okay, so we have 24 question in graded part. So let me start today assignment step by step. The name of today assignment is Excel chapter 5 cumulative merchandise 1.1. Here is project description. So we will start from project description. We have to read that one so we can get idea what we have in today project. Okay, you manage the Souvenir shop for touring Broadway production. The shop sells apparel, funeral, and media items. So you created a database to analyze a sale in different categories. One sheet contains April sales for first 2 weeks of the month. So you will insert subtotal row in this worksheet. So the second sheet contains product information for first quarter of the year. So you will create a pivot table, okay, then insert a timeline, okay, and then we have to create a pivot chart using this data. So that's our main task. Okay, then you will create a second pivot table. Okay, the first one was that, then in second pivot table we have to create so that you can filter the data and calculate product price if you run a sale. Finally, the last sheet contains two tables containing employee data. You will create a relationship and create a pivot table using that data. So all that was just simply description about the project, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. So after reading description, now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform instructions. Start Excel, then download and open the file name. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Okay, so we have to open the file, we call that a solution file. Okay, then we have to click on enable editing. So question number one is done. Now we are moving to question number two. Your first task is to sort the data set on April worksheet. Okay, so first we have to work on this worksheet. So ensure Apple worksheet is active. Yes, it is active. Then sort the data by week in alphabetic order and further sort it by category in alphabetic order. Okay, so we have to sort by two columns. First one is a week and other one is category. Okay, so we just click, first we have to click week. Yes, data by week in alphabetic order. So select this one. There is editing, sort by alphabetic order. Okay, then sort, ensure April worksheet is yes, then sort it by category order. Okay, so we are use custom sort. Yes, first week alphabetic order, then we have to add next one is category. So we select category from there and it must be alphabetic order. Done. So question number two is done. In question number two, we have to ensure that April worksheet is active. After that, then we have to sort the data by week in alphabetic order and further sort it by category in alphabetic order. So after solving question number two, we got 3 marks from there. Now moving toward question number three. You want to focus on April sales within 1 month. You will insert subtotal rows to display total sales by week 1 and 2, then by category. Okay, so you want to focus on April sale within 1 month. You will insert subtotal to display total sales by week and category. Okay, so that was just simply instruction about question number three. Our main part is start from here. Use a subtotal feature to insert subtotal row by week to calculate the totals. So we have to create subtotal. Select this one, then click on data, and there is in outline there is a subtotal option. Okay, then a subtotal by week. What function we have to apply? Calculate the total for quality sold and gross revenue. Okay, total mean we have to insert sum, then gross revenue and quality sold. Okay, now simply press OK, so that will be done. Then add a second subtotal without removing a first subtotal by category to calculate total. Okay, now we have to again select this one, then click on outline and here subtotal. Now we have to select their category. Okay, this one, then sum, total quality sold and gross revenue, that is already selected. Simply press OK. Done. So question number three is done. After solving question number three, we get 5 marks from there. Okay, so in question number three, there are two parts. In first part, we have to use a subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by week to calculate the total for quality sold and gross revenue. Then again, we have to add a second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by category to calculate the totals for quality sold and gross revenue. Okay. So question number three is done. Now we are moving toward question number four. To focus on gross revenue, you will apply an outline and collapse columns. Okay, that what simply instruction about question number 4. Main part is start from here. Create an automatic outline. Okay, now we have to create an automatic outline. Here, group, then auto outline. Okay, then collapse outline above gross revenue. Where is gross revenue? Here is, click there, so that will be collapsed. Okay, so question number 4 is done. In question number 4 we have to create an automatic outline, then collapse the outline above gross revenue, and we have earned 3 marks from there. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5 after solving question number 4. Next, you want to create a blank pivot table and then name it. Display the quarter 1 worksheet. Okay, well, now we have to display quarter 1 worksheet. Then create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Okay, now we have to create blank pivot table of this one. So first we have to select this one, click insert recommended pivot table, and there is blank pivot table option. Simply press OK. So that will be created on new worksheet. Now then do not add data model. Yes, we do not have added. Now we have to name the pivot table quarter sales. So we have to copy this name from here, then pivot table, and here we have to put the name. Okay, then change the name of worksheet. Now we have to change the name of worksheet, and we have to name the sales pivot table. Copy this one, then right click on this sheet, rename, then paste, then simply press outside. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5, we have earned 5 marks from there. Okay, so in question number 5 we have to move toward quarter 1 worksheet. Then we have to create a blank pivot table on a new sheet. Do not add data to the data model. Then name the pivot table quarter 1 sales. Then change the name of worksheet to sales pivot table. So question number 5 is done, and we have get this one from there. Okay, so question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. The pivot table should determine that total number of items sold and total gross revenue by category for first quarter. Place the category field in row. Okay, now we have to work on this pivot table. Okay, so first we have to put category field in row area. Where is category field? This one. Select this one, drag this one to row area. Then place gross revenue and quarter sold value as a value. Okay, now we have to drag gross revenue. Where is gross revenue? This one. Drag this one to value area. Then quality sold. Where is quality sold? This one. Drag this one to there. Okay, so question number 6 is done. After solving question number 6, we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 6, the pivot table should determine the total numbers of items sold and total gross revenue by category for first quarter. So in question number 6, we have to place category field in row area. We just simply drag that one to row area. Okay, then place the gross revenue and quality sold fields as a value area. So we have dragged all 3 fields according to condition, and we get this result. Okay, so question number 6 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 7. You will format the values in the pivot table to look more professional and change the customs name that display as column heading. Okay, so now we have to work on this one. Okay, Modify the sum gross revenue field with custom names total gross revenue. Okay, so we have to modify that sum gross to total. So we just write there total, press enter. Okay, then and apply counting number format with a zero decimal place. Now we have to apply the right, select this one, value field setting, number format. Now we have to apply a counting number format, zero decimal place, then simply press OK. Okay, so that will be done. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7, we have to modify the sum of gross revenue field with the customs name total gross revenue and apply accounting number format with zero decimal place, and we have earned 3 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 8, we have to modify the sum of quality field with custom names a total quality sold and apply there a number format with zero decimal plate and place and select 1000 separator. So same way we will solve that one and we will earn 4 marks from there. Then in question number 9, now you want to insert a timeline so that you can filter a pivot table by a month. So in question number 9, we have to insert timeline for month field, then click or select March to filter the pivot table to display only the March data, then cut the timeline and paste it in cell E9. Set the timeline width to 3.3 inches. So in this way we will solve question number 9 and we will earn 4 marks from there. So same way we will solve other parts also step by step. So in today video we have discussed almost half of assignment. The name of today's assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Merchandise 1.1. In start, we just discuss project description. After discussing project description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2 where we have to ensure first we have to active April worksheet. Then we have to sort two columns, first week, then category columns in alphabetic order. Then we move toward question number 3 where we have to use subtotal feature to insert subtotal by week to calculate the totals for quality sold and gross revenue. Then in add second subtotal without removing first subtotal by category to calculate the total for quality sold and gross revenue. Same way we have solved question number 4 where we have to create an outline and automatic outline and collapse the outline above gross revenue. Then in question number 5, we have to display quarter 1 worksheet and create blank pivot table on new sheet. Do not add data to the data model, then name the pivot table quarter 1 sales, change the name worksheet to sales pivot table. In question number 6, we have to place category field in row, then place gross revenue and quality sold as a value. Then question number 7, we have to modify the sum of gross revenue field with custom names, total gross revenue and apply accounting number format with zero decimal place. Then modify the sum of quality sold field with custom names, total quality sold, apply accounting number format with zero decimal place and select 1000 as a separator. Okay. Then we move toward question number 9 and we have discussed question number 9 also same way. So we have solve almost 50% assignment in today's video, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email id, Instagram id. All links are available on video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email id. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your result will be 100%, or file will be ready in next 30 minutes, and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that if you need help regarding other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. The result will be 100 minute, 100%. File will be ready in next 30 minutes, and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. In today's video, we have discussed XP22 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Merchandise 1.1. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.